Let's change the default browser, email, or maps on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you don't like the defaults, maybe every time you click on a link, it opens up Safari instead of Google Chrome or anything else, you can always change that by getting into your settings. Now, there are some limitations on this that I'll walk you through depending on where you are in the United States or the EU or anywhere else. Now, to change any of those defaults, a new feature is default apps at the top. If you don't see this, you might need to update your iOS operating system. It's a fairly new feature. After we tapped on that, you can choose email here, and instead of the default mail app, I can choose Gmail, but also I can choose a browser. Instead of Safari, I can bring it over to Chrome. And now what you'll be able to see is a bunch of other things on here. What you won't see in my case is navigation, aka maps. For whatever reason, Apple decided to not offer that ability to switch from Apple Maps as the default to Google Maps as the default in the United States. I don't necessarily know why, but it is available in the European Union and other countries. So look to see if there's navigation on there. If there is, you can switch that default app as well.